Hi friends, welcome to all. Today we are going to see a chapter from Organic Chemistry, semester 4, paper number 8, that is carbonyl compounds. Then what is meant by carbonyl compounds? The compounds which containing carbonyl groups are called as a carbonyl compound. That means C double bond O. This is carbonyl group, and the compounds which containing this carbonyl group is known as carbonyl compounds. Especially aldehydes and ketones are carbonyl compounds. These aldehydes and ketones are obtained by the oxidation of alcohol. Means here aldehyde is obtained by the oxidation of primary alcohol. Suppose this is primary alcohol CH2OH, and when is undergo oxidation, then we can obtain here RCHO aldehyde, and when secondary alcohol, that means CHOH, here R dash undergoes oxidation, then it gives ketone. Means both these aldehyde and ketone containing carbonyl groups, therefore they are called as a carbonyl compound. Here in aldehyde means RC double bond OH. In aldehyde, this carbonyl group is attached to one hydrogen atom and one alkyl or aryl group. While in ketone, that means RC double bond OR dash, here this carbonyl group is attached to both alkyl or aryl groups. Okay. The functional group of aldehyde is called as aldehyde group, while the functional group of ketone is called as ketonic group. Then we are going to study the nomenclature of aldehyde and ketones. First we are going to see nomenclature of aldehyde. These aldehydes are also called as alkanals. In nomenclature, first we are going to study common name system. Then what happened in common name system? Here aldehydes are named according to the corresponding acids which are produced on oxidation of aldehyde. Means when, suppose this is an aldehyde, and when this aldehyde undergoes oxidation, then it gives corresponding acid, means CH3C double bond O COOH. Okay, means this is an aldehyde and this is an acid. Means after oxidation of aldehyde, we are obtain here acid, and the aldehydes are named corresponding to this acid. Means this is an acetic acid. This suffix ic acid from the name of this acid is replaced by an aldehyde. Means this ic acid is replaced by aldehyde. Okay, means here this is acetic acid, means here acetic means ic acid is replaced, and here aldehyde is attached, means it is an acetaldehyde. Means in common name system, the aldehydes are named according to the acids, means from which they are formed, by replacing ic acid by aldehyde. Here we are studied some example of aldehyde. Here structure, here common name, and here IUPAC name. Suppose this is an formaldehyde. Okay, its name is formaldehyde. Means when it undergoes oxidation, then we obtain here formic acid. Ic acid from formic acid is replaced by aldehyde, and here we obtain here formaldehyde. Then second one is CH3CHO, means we are studied here. This is acetaldehyde and acetic acid. Means when it undergoes oxidation, we obtain here acetic acid, ic acid is replaced, and here we can get acetaldehyde. Then same CH3, CH2, CHO. What is its name? Here totally 3 carbon atoms are present in this given molecule. Therefore, it is an propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde means when it undergoes oxidation, then we can obtain propionic acid. Therefore, it is called as propionaldehyde. Suppose CH3, CH3 and CHO. When this molecule undergoes oxidation, then we can obtain here isobutyric acid. Therefore, its name is isobutyraldehyde. Suppose this is an aldehydic molecule. When it undergoes oxidation, then we can obtain here crotonic acid. Therefore, its name is crotonaldehyde. Crotonaldehyde. Suppose this is an example of aldehyde. When it undergoes oxidation, then we can obtain here benzoic acid, and from benzoic acid it is named as benzaldehyde. Then second nomenclature is IUPAC name or IUPAC system. In IUPAC nomenclature system, the name of aldehyde is derived by replacing the terminal E of the name of corresponding alkane by Al. Means terminal E is replaced by Al of alkane. If we study some example, that is CHO means it HCHO means here only one carbon atom is present, and therefore it is derivative of an methane. Okay, and here the terminal E is replaced by Al, therefore it becomes as methanol. Therefore, what happened in IUPAC nomenclature system? First, we are going to identify which derivative is from which derivative of aldehyde. Then after then, the last E of alkane is replaced by Al. Okay. Then another example is, suppose if we take here acetaldehyde CH3CHO, means here 2 carbon atoms are present, therefore it is derivative of an ethane, therefore this E is replaced by Al, therefore it becomes as ethanol. Okay, similar way, if you take C2H5CHO, 2 and 3 means 3 carbon atoms are present, therefore it is an derivative of propane, and this last is replaced by Al, that means propanol. And if we are going to give IUPAC name of that compound or this compound, what is its name? Its name is methanol. It is an ethanol, and it is an propanol, and it is. Now here branches are there. When branches are there or long carbon chain is present, then first we are going to select longest carbon chain. Suppose this is an longest carbon chain, and after then we are going to numbering to this carbon chain, and during this numbering the minimum number is given to functional group, that is aldehyde group, means 1, 2, 3. After then the substituents where the substance present is identified, and after then the IUPAC name is given to that compound. Means here at 2 number carbon atom methyl group is present, therefore first we have written here 2 methyl, then which here this longest carbon chain is the derivative of propane, therefore it is named as 2 methyl propanol. Similar way 1 2 3 4 is the derivative of butane, and at 2 number carbon a double bond is present, therefore it is named as 2 butanol, not butanol, butene, because here at 2 number carbon atom double bond is present, therefore it is butene, or it is called as 2 butanol, and its name is remaining as it is benzaldehyde. Okay, it's all about aldehyde. Next lecture we are going to see the nomenclature of ketone.